Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of Android. In this tutorial, I'm gonna follow up the last tutorial. That is, I'm gonna show you how to put a bind listener on the buttons of the alert dialog that we created last time. So, if you remember that we had created this warning type listener in the last tutorial. So, in this tutorial, I'm gonna bind two buttons to this warning type, and I'm gonna put the listeners on those two buttons. So this one was the thing that we created last time. So if you want to add the second button, so we had I guess set content text, so we could add one button that is dot set uh, cancel cancel text, or rather set confirm text, that is yes, delete. So this was the thing that we made last time. So the second thing I'm going to add is a cancel button to it, that is dot set cancel text, that is no, don't delete. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to show this button, that is show cancel button, and set it to true. The next thing we're going to do is to add listener to the cancel button first of all. So we'll do set cancel click listener, new click listener. So you see that I get an on click inside this. Now I could use anything, that is intent or anything we could use here. You could use anything, so I'll just demonstrate it with a simple alert dialog. So this is the first on click that we could create, and the second button on click could be created here, that set confirm click listener, and you could see that we have two on click listeners now. So I'm going to demonstrate the first one, just the first one. So I'll just do new sweet alert dialog, and main activity dot this, just do dot set title text, and done. So whenever I would be clicking this button, you would be seeing done, that is the delete button, or rather I should demonstrate it for both. So you could just write cancelled, we forgot dot show, and here we could just write and that is deleted. So now if we run this, okay, so here as you could see that if I click on new button, I get a warning type, that is two buttons now as I declared, that is yes delete and no don't delete. So clicking on yes, I get deleted, clicking on no, I get cancelled. So you could see the power of these buttons, and I have taught you how to use listeners on them. You could use intents and anything that could be used in an activity inside these two on clicks. So the last thing that I'm going to show you now is alert dialogues, or rather progress dialogues in this. So progress dialogues are really essential to show the progress of something. Like if you are connecting to the server, you need to show that it is loading, the content is loading. So you need to show the progress. So for that you need to do sweetalert dialog, a dialog equal to new sweetalert dialog, and inactivity dot this and sweetalert dialog dot progress type, and just do some p dialog dot get progress helper dot set bar color, and you need to do color dot parse color, and inside the string just use F5700. So this is the color code that you need for the progress bar. So FFD700 is the color code for a yellowish progress bar. So you could enter any code, any color progress bar would appear in front of you. So, and the next thing you're gonna do is edialog dot set title text. This would be the text that is loading, that is very common. So pdialog dot set cancel label should be false. Okay, clicking out of screen, it should not get cancelled. And the last thing you want to do is show. So let's save this. So remember, I'm not doing dismiss here now. So if you want to dismiss the progress bar, you could just type in pdialog dot dismiss anywhere, so it would get dismissed at that time. So I'm just gonna display the show button because I want to show it. When you want to use the dismiss, you could just simply use pdialog dot dismiss anywhere. So if you could see that if I click on new button, I get a progress bar that is of yellow color, and I get loading here. So this progress bar could be of any color you want. So you could just change it in the color code that I set, that is here FFD700. You could just change it to any color code you want, and you could get your custom progress dialogues that is of any color. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe for more, and stay tuned.